Hi everyone, if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful flawless look, please do continue watching the rest of this video, especially if you're a beginner and you've been finding it really difficult to create a flawless glam. Continue watching the rest of this video. Hi. I want these areas to be properly highlighted. That's why I went in with a really lighter shade of concealer, which is from Zaron Cosmetics. So right now I am going to blend her cheekbones, the contour. I'm going to contour and then drag that all over her forehead. Just contour everything so that it comes out nice and so that it's smooth. You want to have a flawless finishing, so you need to make sure the money matters. If you are working and working and working so hard and you're not getting returns, there's no how you wouldn't feel bad. And I really feel bad. I do pray and hope that after this video that I have made, that it's going to get better. YouTube, you guys really need to do something. Some of us that are still small content creators on YouTube, you guys really need to help us at least to get our videos seen. You need to help us push out our videos so that the public can see our videos, and so that we can as well be happy just like others who are really generating enough revenue and income on YouTube. I see a lot of persons, like, they will not even really do anything much, they wouldn't do so much, but then you'll be so shocked at the number of views that they get, and then you that are putting your whole heart into everything. It's discouraging, but no problem, we thank God. But YouTube, you guys really need to do something so that you can help small content creators on YouTube like myself to grow. If you're not pushing our content, then there'll be no motivational factor for you to do more. You just get discouraged about the whole thing. So thank you guys as you guys listen. I know that one way or the other, God's willing, you guys will listen to my plea and help us, the small content creators. So right now I am on the eyes and I am on the transition area, just using an orange shade to blend and buff all of that so that it comes out really nice. And then right now I'm going to go all the way to the lip, and I'm using a brown shade of lippy from Zaron Cosmetics, and I'm just going to blend all of that properly. And I'm going to go in with another brown shade of lippy that is actually lighter, and then blend the lower part of her lip and the upper part of her lip properly. And then right now I am going in with the brown shade of lippy again all over her lips like this, just so that it comes out fine. She actually wanted a nude lip, and that was what we did. And right now I'm going to go in with concealer at this corner of her lip, the inner corner of her lip like this, and then ask her to smudge everything together so that it's properly blended. And right now I am buffing out the excess setting powder from her face using my powder from V Beauty Cosmetics. So you want to achieve a flawless look, and you need good brushes in order for you to do this. And I'm using the brush set from Flawless Ivy Cosmetics for this particular makeup video today. So after buffing out the excess setting powder from her face, I'm just going to contour the nose a little bit with an orange shade of blush, just so that it can give me a very orangey effect and not too harsh. So I'm going in with orange, and I'm going to go in with a pink shade of blush in these areas that you can see me apply. I'm going to apply that a little bit towards underneath the eyes, just so that I can have a really nice blushy effect, and then towards the forehead as well. So for highlighter, I'm going in with this GELE gold shade of eyeshadow, and I'm just going to highlight underneath the brow and the cheekbone like this, because I want the whole makeup to pop. And I'll do the same thing on the other side of her face. Just use a small brush that can go into these areas and then blend properly. And then right now I'm going to highlight the nose as well, the forehead, the jaw, because I want these areas to pop really nice. You can see how nice and flawless the makeup is already looking. And right now I'm going to go in with falsies on her eyes. I'm going to drop the falsies that I used in the description box. Thereafter I went in with setting spray to keep the whole makeup intact.